This is the DW Garage Project, and check it out. Got a wireless mic, so this should sound a whole lot better. Anyways, I got this with the headers on it. And I was test fitting it the other day. They didn't seem to want to fit between the frame rails because this header right here sticks out a little bit more than this header over here. And there's a couple of things I can do. I need to trim this a little bit. Because the goal is to not trim the frame rails. But if I have to, 1/2 inch is the furthest I'm gonna go. I ain't gonna go any further than a 1/2 inch. I don't wanna alter the structural integrity too much. But I guess 1/2 inch is, it'll give me a little bit of give here. And then on the exhaust, I'm going to heat these tubes up with oxyacetylene and try to get this collector to merge over. What is that, 1.5, maybe 2 inches at the most. And this should sit right in there perfectly fine. I've already test fitted it a little bit, and this header fit in there almost perfectly. I just gotta trim that firewall piece because it was hitting right here. So, let me just get at it. No safety squints. Don't want the death wheel at my forehead. Get down here a little more. Yeah, I'd say that's looking pretty good. As good as it is for the little bit of time I spent on it. So with that, one part of the header should fit. I'll make sure I weld that up a little bit later on so that it's sealed, won't come apart. Because I know that's just two pieces of metal. You can kind of see some of the spot welds right there, so we'll see where it goes. Now the next step, I got to heat up these headers and start bending on them. I won't do it on the block though. Let's get that set up. Got about 36. I need to bring it to 34. Did I get anywhere? Still at 36. I need more pressure. What can I use to make some pressure? Well, after that, got it. And got it down to 34 1/4, so that's about 2 inches. That should be fitting pretty good now. Let's get it mocked up. It's a whole lot closer than it used to be. So now, let's see if headers for our 94 to 2001 Ram 1500 will finally fit this chassis. So the engine's set in place after I've bent the header tubes and clearanced the firewall. So yeah, you can see, probably didn't need to shave it on both sides, but it makes it look even anyways. It's all the way down on the mounts. The load is off the engine. The only thing holding it up is the header tubes. So, I have two options. I could reheat them and bend them more, but then I run the risk of my collector running into the transmission because 727s have a wide transmission pan. But what I think I'm gonna do is go with option 2, and I'm gonna clearance the frame about 1/2 inch. And if that's still not enough, then I can do some roadkill action on the header tubes and smash them a little bit. On this side, same thing, just got to clearance the frame maybe about 1/2 inch. And the firewall clearance definitely helped because that was touching before. So, long tube headers for a 94 to 2001 Ram 1500 do fit with some minor modifications. Someone said, don't install the engine with the headers attached. And I kind of took that as a challenge. So here it is, install the engine with the headers attached. That's exactly why I wanted to go with these specific headers. Even though I know they don't go to this truck, I made them go to this truck. Isn't that what hot rodding's all about?